Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to iMessage someone from another country. All right, so first up, we need to go ahead and verify our settings. Okay, tap on settings right here, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Wait a bit, then go ahead and scroll down, tap on message or messages. Down here, just make sure that iMessage is enabled and tap on send and receive and verify that your phone number, email is added. Okay, and once that's done, we can now go ahead and open up the messaging app. All right. Now, when we go ahead and tap on the create or compose button, when you type down a number, okay, say for example, I'm going to go ahead and type down this number, which got iMessage as well, or you're currently using iPhone with iMessage enabled. So there's the blue one. That means that iMessage is enabled. And these other numbers right here means this is just for SMS. Okay, so if that's cleared, go ahead and enter the number of the recipient. Let's say you have someone from America or the USA or even Canada. It starts with the country code 1. So make sure that you type down the correct country code. And after the country code, go ahead and type down the local number. So for example, number from UK, maybe 44. This is the country code. And then 71234, and so on and so forth. All right. Now, after that, just go ahead and send a message. So as you can see here at the bottom, it says SMS as well. And again, verify the number if the current number supports iMessage. And once that's done, just enter the text right here and hit on send. Now, another option, if you don't know the number, you can go ahead and ask them for their email address that is linked to their iPhone. So enter the email address and verify that it is set to iMessage right here, or it got the blue bubble. And once that's done, just type your text and then just hit on send. And there you have it. That is how you iMessage someone from another country. I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.